In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Bitbucket Token. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, plus a few best practices so you set things up safely and efficiently. An access token is a secure, scoped credential that lets tools and automations interact with a specific repository without sharing your full account password. It's perfect for CI pipelines, scripts, or services that need limited access. Start by opening your browser and going to bitbucket.org. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, head to the repository where you want to create the token. If you manage multiple projects, pause for a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct repository. Access tokens are repository specific, so picking the right one matters. Keep in mind you'll need sufficient permissions, typically admin or maintainer access for that repository, to create tokens. Inside the repository, look to the bottom left area and open repository settings. This is where all the configuration options live. In the settings menu, find and select access tokens. This dedicated section lets you create and manage tokens tied to this repository. Click Create Access Token. You'll see a form where you can define what this token is for. Give the token a clear, descriptive name like CI Deploy Token or Read-Only Integration. Naming it well will help you identify it later and keep your tokens organized. Next, choose an expiry. For security, shorter is safer. Pick the minimum lifespan that still fits your workflow. If you're unsure, set a reasonable date and plan to rotate the token periodically. Expiring tokens reduce risk if a credential ever gets exposed. Now select scopes. Scopes control what the token is allowed to do. Follow the principle of least privilege. Only enable exactly what's needed. For example, if a script only needs to read code, so choose read access to the repository. If it needs to push changes, include write for repositories. If your pipelines or downloads need access, enable only those specific scopes. Being selective here is one of the strongest security measures you can take. When everything looks right, click Create. Bitbucket will generate the token and show it to you. Important tip: you typically see the token only once. Copy it immediately and store it securely in an encrypted secrets manager or as a protected environment variable. Treat it like a password. If it's ever compromised or no longer needed, return to this access tokens page to revoke it. That's it. You've created a Bitbucket access token with the right name, expiry, and scopes ready for safe use in your tools and automations.